Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Happy Thanksgiving, happy Turkey Day to y'all, man. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Concord. Let's get into it. Let me see. It's Thanksgiving. Everybody giving out turkeys. Maybe I should give out some Concords, man. Let me see. It might be a good idea, man. Let me see what these Who-That's gonna do first, man. Then I'll make me a decision. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you got the Jordan box. You got the black top, red Jumpman Jordan. The bottom of the box is gray. Got the Nike Air on it. So what we have is the Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, black, and Concord. Now this is a shoe that everybody been waiting for. I know that. I'm a little late with the review, but it is what it is, man. Now it come wrapped in the black paper. But enough of that. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 11 Retro Concord. Now, like I say, man, people are going crazy behind these shoes, man. And everybody know that it then became tradition when Jordan released one of his coveted Jordan 11s in December. You know what I'm saying? So this is what's up to bat this year. So let's go ahead and check it out, man. And you can see you got the 45 on the back. But look, what I said in the beginning of the video, man, I'm really thinking about it, okay? Now, looking at the bottom of the shoe, you see you got your Concord, you got your translucent sole, your Jumpman, your carbon fiber plate. There's your patent leather running all along the bottom of the shoe. There's your 45 on the back. There's the medial side. You see your mesh, you see your straps, or your imitation straps. There's your rope laces, you see your tag on the tongue. There's a closer look at the Jumpman. Now that leather back here, man, is kind of nice, you know what I'm saying? Like you got kind of like tumble leather effect. You got your mesh. Now looking at the other shoe. Oh, I forgot. Do come with the shoe trees, purple, well, Concord. And you got the black insoles with the Nike Air on it. Now looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. There's no difference between the two. I'm kind of rushing through this, man, because I'm trying to get to this food, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get ready for these Saints game, man. Who that? You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna watch us kill another dirty bird, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. If you don't believe me, come back to the video after the game, man, and holler at me, yeah? We're gonna bust their ass, you did? But anyway, looking at the shoes, man, I think they're dope. Fire. Nice quality. I don't have no complaints about it. I'm not even complaining about the box. I don't need none of that, you know what I'm saying? Just give me the kicks, man, and I'm good. You know what I mean? So let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You not? You gonna pass? Look at that. Oh yeah. That's what they want. That's what y'all like, huh? That's what y'all love, huh? Now, I heard a lot of people was upset because they got the 45 on the back, but it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's not a deal breaker to me. Just like when some shoes have Nike Air on the back, none of that don't matter to me, man. You know what I'm saying? But to each his own, man. So like I say, man, let me know what y'all think about these, man. You feeling them or not? You know what I'm saying? I think they dope. I think the quality is on point. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling the little tumbled leather effect on the back. You know, the mesh is nice. Patent leather's nice and high. I mean, I have no complaints, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think about it, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy y'all Thanksgiving, man. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy that game tonight. Follow us on Instagram at PedlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the on foot, and I'ma holla back.